Hello beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel Soul Journey. My name is Beck and today we are doing a special unboxing. This is an artist that I met at a craft fair in town. I really loved her stuff and so I started following her on Instagram. And all of her stuff was just super amazing. And so we decided to do a trade where she'd send me a few things and I would make a video. And so this is the unboxing. I'm really excited. All of her stuff is super beautiful. I got a few of her things at the fair. I actually forgot to bring them up, so I'll bring them up in a minute. But I'm really excited. We've been working on this for a little while and now we're finally here. So I'm very excited. So I will write down below her Instagram so you can go and check out her stuff. It's all very unique and beautiful, and so yeah, I'm very excited. So I'm going to open this up. Feels very well packed already. Alright, so one of these things I do know what it is, but the other thing I'm not sure. So I'm very excited. Alright, so let's see here. So her page is called Quinohome, and I'll put the spelling down here. Her email is quinohome@gmail.com, and she's on Etsy and on Instagram. So that is her card there. So it's very cool. So this is what's in here. So I'm not gonna look. So one of these things, it's actually really funny. When we were trying to pick out like the things that she was gonna send me, one of the ones that I like really wanted, she's like, I sent it to her, and I was like, oh my god, I love this one. She's like, oh, but like someone's already claimed it, and I was like, all right, no worries. So we ended up kind of like putting stuff on the back burner for a little bit, and then when I came back, I was like, hey, are you still interested? And she's like, yes, definitely. She's like, oh, and the tray, they didn't end up getting it, so I'll send it to you. And I was like, super excited. So here we go. So she's got some black tissue paper and some plastic. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright, so here we go. It's all wrapped up like this. Alrighty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, so here we go. So these are resin homewares, and these are made in a town locally here, Dover, New Hampshire. And here are the two things. I'm so excited. So she puts paint in the resin. And this is really cool. These are like stretchy. She puts paint in the resin to make these pieces of art. So this is the one that I didn't know I was getting. This is a coaster. These can be used for under plants, for coasters, for all kinds of cool stuff. I think I'm going to use them under my plants because this is like super cool. And I'll show you a close-up in a second. And then this is the tray that I'm super excited. Like, look at this. It's got this cute little tag on it and everything. So classy. Alright, so this is a tray. This is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm really excited. So this is like a jewelry tray. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my gosh. And the back is even cool too. Look at that. Wow. So it's almost like, it's like water. Paint in water. It is so cool. And I'm really excited. I think I'm actually going to probably put this on my altar. It's really cool. So it is made out of resin, so it's really sturdy. It's made out of the same, I guess, kind of resin you get organite made out of or anything like that. Oh, it's just so beautiful and it's so yummy. And each piece is completely unique. So definitely check out her page. I mean, just looking at her stuff is really awesome. Definitely head over to our page, and if you find a piece you like, share it on your stories and tag both of us in it. I'd love to see what you guys are interested in. And she's constantly selling out really fast, so I highly recommend if you see a piece you like, get it, because her stuff goes really fast. So again, this is her Instagram, and it looks like Quinohome is consistent across her pages. So yeah, her Etsy is Quinohome. It's that on Instagram as well. Resin homewares, made in Dover, and her name is Nicole. And So yeah, go over and send her some love. So there's, and these are really well packaged too, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. Let's see. Okay, so there's two different things here. So for the dish, it says it's food safe. That's really cool. That's kind of cool. Since every piece is handmade, is hand poured, there'll be variation in the appearance and width of each item. Some small bubbles. I'm being messaged. Some small bubbles and pigment freckles may be present, but this adds to the charm. This is food safe. It's not heat resistant, not dishwasher or microwave safe. Cleaning instructions: clean with soft sponge and warm water to get high shine back, rub with oil. Do not soak or scrub. Keep out of direct sunlight as it may discolor them. All right, and this one, yeah, they say, so they both say that. But the coaster, she says, is not food safe, or at least that's not what she put. So I don't know why you'd want to put food on this, but anyway, I am so in love with these. I can't believe I got the dish I really wanted. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Nicole. These are really beautiful. So definitely go over and give her some love. I don't know if this is technically sponsored or not because it's just kind of in trade. I guess that is what a sponsorship would be. So I guess I'm being sponsored by Quinohome. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I asked her how to pronounce it because I wanted to get it right, and she sent it phonetically. So I hope I'm getting that right. So I guess, yeah, I'm being technically sponsored, I guess. And this is really beautiful. Oh, I just want to stare at it. So I will do some close-ups of these, and then I will show you the other things I got. When we were at the craft fair, she had all these adorable magnets, and I bought, I think, like 10 of them. They were only like $1 or $2 each. They're really beautiful, and they just look like galaxies to me. They're all like amazing little pieces of art, so definitely go check them out. I don't think I've seen the magnets on her page, but if you're in the local area or you message her, you might be able to get some of her magnets as well. So definitely go send her some love. I'm really excited. I really love supporting local artists and just artists in general who are doing it themselves. They're not mainstream, and you know, they're putting themselves out there and they're being vulnerable with their art and all of that. I just think it's super beautiful. I love doing that, and so I love giving artists the opportunity to have a bigger platform through mine as well. So if you are an artist and you are interested in getting your stuff out there, connect with me. And if if I feel your art is in alignment with my personal values, and if you're vegan, if you're working on self-love, if you're just putting yourself out there, just let me know, and maybe we can connect and make something happen. I love being able to do a trade and share the love. So thank you so much for watching. Again, go over to her Instagram and Etsy shop. I will post those down in the description, and yeah, give her some love and maybe buy some of her stuff. Her prices are really good. Yeah, so thank you so much, and thank you so much, Nicole. Oh my gosh, these are both so beautiful. I gotta say though, this dish, I think it's my fave, like in general. So, oh my god though, but she's always coming out with new stuff, and her colors are so vibrant and beautiful. She makes these like dishes that are kind of this shape that are just, oh my god, so beautiful. They're like teals and golds and yummy. They look like galaxies to me. This reminds me of kind of mermaid. So I'm so in love. And look, this is like shiny. It's like clear. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, definitely give it a like and hit subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. I talk about sustainability, self-love, personal empowerment, working with spirit. I do energy readings, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe, and welcome to our little soul family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Many blessings. Namaste. And don't forget, it's all about the soul journey. Bye.